guys, this is Billy Plays Wedge 3 and be showing you how to make the biggest explosion in Minecraft using one command block. And that's it. So, I'm going to get a command block, / symbol S, command underscore block, boom, place it down, and then / summon ender crystal, repeat, and then just get a lever, turn it on. It'll create all these ender crystals and it looks really cool, but it's gonna get glitchy once it starts making a whole bunch. So yeah, that's probably good. No, that's not. So let's just cut that. Alright, so I need a platform to stand on. So watch me. It's getting glitchy. So now I'm gonna hit it, but it's gonna take a while for it to explode. But watch. Oh, it didn't this time. Look at that. See how I'm going up? Yeah, it goes on for a really long time. Well, still going. It's in the 100,000s. Alright, it's slowing down. Now I'm falling down again. Wait, 288. What's happening? Alright. Oops, a little bit too far down, but okay. So yeah, that was the biggest explosion ever. So I don't know where I'm at right now. I'm just gonna head back. There it is. Alright, so make sure you like and subscribe and watch my other videos. And don't forget about the Robux giveaway. And that'll be when we hit 50 subscribers. And bye.